Hello everyone, today we make the original creme brulee with all techniques and decoration, how to make the basket, how to make the lemon bar, everything from A to Z. And the microwave sponge, you will find the link below in the box. Let's start, bring one paper, let's go. The recipe is very easy. 700 milliliter fresh cream, 300 milliliter milk, 150 gram sugar, 9 egg yolk, 1 vanilla stick. It's very easy. We put milk, cream, and vanilla stick. Vanilla stick or vanilla bud, whatever you call it. And if you don't have, you can put vanilla essence or vanilla sugar. But the best is, this is the original vanilla bud. We boil together fresh cream, milk, vanilla. As soon as it start boiling, when it start boiling, we here is not really boiling, we cover. So when first time to boil, we cover, remove from the oven at least 30 minutes, and that's why to infuse the vanilla beans and to get the aroma of vanilla. Then you put 9 egg yolk, 150 gram sugar together, then we mix. As you see, you mix it all together, and then we make tempering. We bring like 200 milliliter of the mixture, hot mixture, to the egg yolk and sugar, just to tempering, because if you added the eggs to the hot milk, it will lumps. So we return it back. It's all already over it's not in the hot plate. We mix it nicely, and then we strain for fine sieve, small one, to strain from the lumps, vanilla beans and vanilla seeds, whatever. And this is the time here. This is porcelain for creme brulee. I have different way to make it, so we learn it together. This is the original one, and this is for my restaurant. Some people added fresh raspberry, and some people added nuts, walnut, prunes, or apricot dry. I love the natural one, only vanilla, as you see, but you have choice to do everything what you want. It's depend about your restaurant. Then we put in bain marie, so I make big quantity for my mise en place, and then we bake. If you bake in the flat oven, is different than fan oven. This confectionery oven, I bake 110 for 55 minutes, and it's enough. If you have the induction oven, I think it's take less than this one, maybe 40 minutes. So you try one for your oven. Now we start to make the garnish, the filo dough basket. This is the filo dough. We have clarified butter. Clarified butter is very easy. Just you reheat slow fire for the butter, and you separate from the milk. As you see, we paint the filo pastry with clarified butter, then we added sugar powder. Make sure that you cover all the spaces, because the sugar powder, when it's baked, it brings crystallize and crunchy to the basket, and that's what we need. We need something soft, something crunchy, and a different flavor and aroma. Or you can make it plain, it's up to you, but we try to make a a nice presentation with amazing flavor. Again, another layer of filo pastry and then sugar powder. We cover all and then we added the third one. So this basket is 3 paper of filo dough. Again, clarified butter, we cover it very well. Then we cut square. Three by 3 centimeter, or if you make it little bigger or little smaller, is up to you. It's depending about your presentation and the way how you present your plate. So you can make it as basket as you do, or you make it round. It's all about your way of presentation. We cut it square. Then we take, little sphere mold, and then we pushed on the bottom and we squeeze it just to have this nice basket. So we make all the mold the same, so we have the same shape, same presentation. Of course, if you have deeper mold, will be much better. Then we bake in the oven 170 for maybe 6-7 minutes to be golden crunchy. As you see, golden crunchy. Here it is after 55 minutes exactly. Crème Burlee ready. We keep in the fridge. Here we make lemon steak, 200 gram butter, 100 gram powdered sugar. Just we mix slowly in beginning until all mixed together. Then we increase the speed. We added 1 fresh lemon zest, and that give an amazing aroma. And then 1 piece of egg, 1 whole egg. And then we scratch the side of the bowl that to make sure that everything mixed well. And then we added, when absorbing all the flour, the eggs, we added the flour. As you see, it's like sable mix. And then we keep in the container, plastic container. Why we keep in the container? To make the shape, the bar shape. Or you can use also rolling pin, and you spread like 3 millimeter high, then you can take stripes. This what we show you now is the easy way to make the lemon bar. So the idea of the presentation to have like little basket, lemon bar, and all added nice flavor and aroma to your dishes. We make sure that after that we keep in the fridge for 3-4 hours. Now it's already after 4 hours in the fridge. We cut the bar just 3 millimeter or 4 millimeter maximum. This is the easy way. That's why I put in the container. You can make different shape, and then we cut, so it's easy when we keep in a square container. Here it's a very nice taste, the lemon sablaise. So we have creme brulee and then we have lemon crunchy bar. It's really fantastic. When we cut, we roll it into crystal sugar, and then we spread into the silicone mat or silicone paper or silver sheet. Even parchment paper will never stick. Then make sure we crystallize sugar and we bake 180. It takes about 7-8 minutes depending about your oven. Now it's ready, crunchy, golden, crispy. Here we make glaze raspberry coulis or raspberry jelly. 1 liter raspberry, 200 gram sugar. We take little of sugar and we added 10 gram of pectin. When the juice boil, I added the pectin, and now my jelly is ready. My piping jelly ready. Here the construction. Sometimes you have humidity on top from the fridge. Little paper to absorb all the humidity. Brown sugar. You spread nicely, not too much. And then we torching the surface to be caramelized. What a nice aroma and flavor. Wow. This crème brûlée. Here we started to make the garnish. We added the basket in sugar powder. We cover it all, it's make like snow. Here the steaks. You can add it all flavor aroma. Please guys, if you not participate in my channel, that's time to make subscribe. Please leave your comment and tell us advice. We are open mind, we take all advice positively. You can, the presentation is yours, but this is how they produce in one Michelin restaurant. This is our raspberry coulis. So we have everything, and this is a different presentation with fresh berry and the microwave sponge. I will leave the link in the box below. Thanks for watching my channel, Ahmed, Younes. Hope see you again. Please make share if you like the video. Have a beautiful day guys.